Good morning. You're with me, Tanima Biswas, and our top story in this morning bulletin is the Centre versus Delhi face-off once again, which has cropped up once again with a new flashpoint. This time about the door-to-door ration scheme, which the Delhi government claimed that they were going to launch in 1 or 2 days. But that, they are now saying, has been stalled once again by the centre. In the latest flashpoint which we are bringing you, Delhi government has said that they had addressed all the concerns which had been raised by the centre with regard to this particular scheme, and after addressing that, they had sent a file to the Delhi LG for his final nod. But the LG, according to the Delhi government, refused clearance once again, citing two reasons. One was a court case, and the other essentially saying that protocol had not been followed in it. Centre, on the other hand, says that they are not blocking any ration distribution, but Delhi government can do so under any other scheme. I'm joined by my colleague Ayushman for more on this. Ayushman, just explain for our viewers what exactly is the contention from both sides. What is it that the Delhi government claims that they have done ever since Centre had raised its objections initially, and where exactly, what are the objections by the Centre even now?
Tanima, the Centre claims that they have not rejected the file that is being said, and here the Delhi government says that the LG, Lieutenant Governor, who is also the government of Delhi in the national capital, has returned the file and has stalled Aam Aadmi Party's ambitious doorstep delivery of ration scheme, which has benefited for about 72 lakh people. Now, the Centre says that Delhi government has been given the food grains under the by the Centre, and nearly 73% of the stock has already been utilized. So in no way Centre has said that we will be putting any kind of barricade in what you are doing, how you are delivering the doorstep ration. But what has happened in Delhi, that Lieutenant Governor has returned the file of National Capital's government, and that actually has happened at a time when the scheme was to be rolled out from next week. So it is now the Aam Aadmi Party claiming that LG is doing at the behest of the Centre, and he doesn't want this to happen because the Centre somewhere doesn't want the doorstep delivery scheme to kickstart in the national capital. And again, the bickering between the Centre and Aam Aadmi Party is starting over another issue.
That's right, Ayushman. In fact, this is a fresh bickering which has started between both the Centre as well as the Delhi government over this doorstep ration scheme, which, if we tell our viewers, initially had been mooted in 2018 by the Delhi government. But since the Centre had objections to the name which was being used by the Delhi government for the scheme, that was expressed in March this year. Delhi government claims that they addressed that issue within 3 to 4 days and then sent another file to the LG for his final approval. But on June 2nd, the Delhi LG in fact returned the file saying that the scheme